Welcome to the Daily App Show. Today we have an app for the Mac for you called Photo Transformer. Now this is one of the more simple but most effective programs that I have had the pleasure of using. So what you do here is, first off, it gives you a browser. And you select a folder or an individual image, either way, but it's recommended that you do a folder because this is for batch processing of images based on certain things that you want to do with them. So we have here my untitled folder. You can see I have a bunch of JPEGs in it. I hit choose, and once I do that, it's going to import all the images in that folder. It's going to support all kinds of different images, as you can see here, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, GIF, and most camera raw, and Adobe Photoshop document. So that's going to be awesome there. So you can see we have all of our photos here. If we want, we can select one. We can zoom in on it if we want. We can view these a little bit closer up, or we can just view the whole batch. Maybe we've already filtered them or something like that. And you can see over here it's going to give us filtered. Now this one's going to be by kind. If we had any other ones in here, like the ones that I told you before, they'll be here. And then if we have any metadata with the date, dimensions, and size, they are going to be on here as well. So what we do is we come in here and we go into our presets. Now you can see there's going to be 3 presets that are already in here: the high quality, the low quality, and the medium quality. And then here's a custom one that I added as well. Now what these will do, if we go into manage presets, we can see this preset right here will convert images to a JPEG with image quality maximum, and it'll resize it to full size, and it'll save the images to, and we'll choose a folder. So what we can do is we can create our own preset, or we can use one of these. If we create our own preset, we're just going to come in here and we're going to title it maybe batch or something like that, and we're going to have it convert our images. We'll keep it as a JPEG and we'll hit the plus button. It'll come down with this other one here, and we can use these different presets here, or we can just go along with it. Now this one is going to have the quality be maximum. Maybe we're going to change this to low. We're going to come here, it's going to resize our image to, we're going to do a medium size, and if we want to save images to, we can either save folder as original image, or we can choose a folder. And once we have that there, it's done. Now we can have the option to remove the image metadata and move the original images to trash if we want to do that as well. So we're going to hit OK here. Now that we have this here, you can see we have all of our images. We now have our custom preset up here that we had just made, and we just hit the play button. Now it's going to process all of our images, and now we can go and we can view it in that same folder because that's where we had it go. Or we can come in here and we can do this other one. All we have to do is select the ones that we want to have done. So we'll just select a few here. We're going to hit process images, and since this one had the choose folder option, we now have the option of choosing our own folder. Maybe we're going to come onto the desktop and create a new folder here and hit choose. So that's where it's going to process our images to. You can see how quick that was. We can come into here into our folder that we just created, and you can now see that we have these folders here full of images. So this is, like I said, a really simple to use but really effective batch image processing application. Once again, this application is available for the Mac. It is called Photo Transformer. If you like it, be sure to pick it up in the App Store today.